Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today, what you're going to do is, if you have not already, please go into the announcements and you will see that there is a message for you from me stating that in order for you to participate tomorrow in our virtual live Zoom meeting at 10:25 a.m., please make sure you complete the research journal step 1. This is located in the module 6 from last week. It'll take you to this page. And on this page, this is where you're going to click on either make a copy of a Google Doc, which click on make a copy. You'll see my research journal has been created for you. And once the document loads, you'll be able to type in your responses to step number 1. It does take a second to load. You'll see you type your name, your grade, Mrs. Brown. You have a table of contents. As you scroll down, we will add dates. So this one here is for 4/12/20, and you will work on your step 2, step 3, and step 4 by the end of this week. As you scroll down, you'll see this is where you're going to access the research model planner, and you're going to answer these 3 questions. What is the issue or problem? Who are the stakeholders and what are their positions? And what is my position on this issue? You'll have an opportunity to choose between a Google Doc or if you want to work on a Google slide. So this is the Google Doc. Otherwise, if you want to work on the Google Slides, make a copy. Once it makes a copy for you, here, this is where you will replace and type in your name. You can center that by going up to this button here. Once again, you can see that last week you were really working on steps 1, 2, and 3, where you should hopefully have some research questions after watching videos and reading different resources. And on page 3 of the Google Slides, this is where you're going to type in what is your issue, what is the issue or problem, once again, or the stakeholders and your position on this issue. So in the announcement that you received, you'll see there are directions for you visually for you to be able to follow along. That was module 6, and this is what the page will look like. So that way we finish step 1 for tomorrow's lesson. And then if you're going to make a copy of either the Google Slide or Google Doc, research journal, and happy researching. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.